See his eyes? He has infections. He's underweight. He's gonna die.
Oh my God.
Look at him. He has worms.
Yeah.
He has a fever. I'm not paying her for the dog.
No, I know.
Okay.
Why she tried?
No way. You see, he's being eaten alive. He'll be dead in 2 days. You want me to leave him here and he's gonna die?
Yeah. I think the dog.
If the dog becomes better, do you want me to bring the dog back to you?
Yeah.
No, I'm not bringing it back. I'm just saying that.
You're gonna be okay.
You okay, buddy? You okay? Alright.
Has Jenny done this before?
She rescued a lot.
Yeah.
She rescued chicken, she rescued grasshopper,
Owls,
rescued a lot of things.
vultures.
So you put it under the skin and it just sort of absorbs into the body. He's starving, so he's digesting his muscle.
His hair is starting to kind of look more normal. He didn't even look like he had fur or hair. There used to be big chunks of skin and there's not that much of it anymore. Every day we kind of felt like he's getting a little bit better, but with most animals that we rescue, there's a day when they kind of take a turn. That was an open wound and that was an open wound. It was really oozy. And it was starting to heal with the medicine, but then he was biting it, so we put the collar on him. Oh, what a sweetheart, thank you. That's the first kiss he's given us. Good boy. She's moving to Colorado to live with my nieces, and she's gonna have a great, wonderful life. And look at her, she's cute, happy, fat. Good girl. Go get it. Snappy's here with her new family. This is Diana, and this is Lee, and of course this is Snafu.